Have you ever wondered how we went from peering at the stars with simple lenses to capturing stunning images of distant galaxies? Welcome to our journey through the evolution of telescopes. Our story begins in the early 17th century with Galileo Galilei. In 1609, Galileo heard about a new invention called the spyglass and decided to build his own. Little did he know, this would change the course of astronomy forever. Galileo's telescope was simple, yet revolutionary. With it, he discovered the moons of Jupiter, the phases of Venus, and even the rugged surface of our own moon. His observations challenged the prevailing geocentric model of the universe. Fast forward to the 18th century, and we meet Sir Isaac Newton. Newton improved the design by using mirrors instead of lenses, creating the first reflecting telescope. This innovation reduced chromatic aberration and allowed for clearer images. As technology advanced, so did telescopes. In the 20th century, we saw the development of massive observatories like the Hubble Space Telescope. Launched in 1990, Hubble has provided us with breathtaking images and invaluable data about our universe. Today, we are in the digital age of telescopes. Modern telescopes are equipped with digital sensors and advanced software, allowing astronomers to capture and analyze data with unprecedented precision. These digital marvels are helping us unlock the secrets of the cosmos. From Galileo's humble spyglass to the sophisticated digital telescopes of today, our journey through the stars continues to evolve. Who knows what incredible discoveries await us in the future? Thanks for watching, and keep looking up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating science content. See you next time!